In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove card details from Amazon. Maybe you've added a card you don't use anymore, or you just want to tidy up your payment methods for security reasons. Whatever your reason, I'll walk you through exactly how to delete a card from your Amazon account, step by step. Stay with me and follow along on your own screen if you can. First, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account in your web browser. Once you're on the Amazon homepage and signed in, move your attention to the top right-hand corner of the page. There, you'll see an option labeled Account and Lists. Don't click it right away. Instead, hover your mouse over it. When you hover, a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Account and click on it. This will take you to your main account page. On this page, Amazon organizes a lot of settings into tiles or sections, and it can look a bit busy, so take a moment to scan the page carefully. What you're looking for is the tile called Your Payments. Once you find Your Payments, go ahead and click it. This will open Amazon's payment settings area, where all of your saved cards and payment methods are listed. Inside the Payments section, you should see a list of cards that are currently stored on your account. Find the specific card whose details you want to delete. Double check the last 4 digits and the card type to make sure you're selecting the right one, especially if you have multiple cards saved. Next to that card, you'll see an option labeled Edit. Click on Edit. When you do, a pop-up window will appear on your screen with more details and options for that card. In this pop-up, look toward the bottom left corner. You'll see an option that says Remove from Wallet. Click on Remove from Wallet. As soon as you click it, the pop-up will refresh and Amazon will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this card. This confirmation step is important because once the card is removed, it won't be available for future purchases unless you add it again. If you're sure you're removing the correct card, look to the bottom right of the pop-up and click Remove to confirm. After you click Remove, the pop-up will close and that card should disappear from your list of payment methods. And that's it. You've successfully removed your card details from Amazon.